Hi guys, Patanjali has this wheat dalia. So in this video we are going to see how to cook this one. This 500 gram dalia comes for rupees 30 and it has 4 months of shelf life. Ingredient is just broken wheat, nothing else, and this dalia is not roasted, so we have to roast it first. So on a medium flame, keep roasting like this till it's aromatic and golden in color. Now this is done, keep it aside and take a pressure cooker with 1 spoon of ghee. Let it heat on medium flame. Add cumin seeds. Once jeera splutter, add a chopped onion. Stir regularly until onion turns brown. Now add veggies. I have taken tomato, cauliflower, carrot, peas. Give it a mix. Now add green chili and dry masala, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder and a cup of dalia. Stir it well and cook for a minute like this. Now coming to the ratio, for 1 cup of dalia use 3 cup of water. Give it a mix and now secure the cooker lid. 4 whistles on high flame are sufficient to cook this dalia. And you don't take out the steam, allow the steam to release naturally from the cooker. Now add handful of coriander leaves before serving this delicious dalia. You can serve this dalia with green chutney or simply with curd. It's so yummy and light on stomach. It's my ready to go breakfast for 3 days in a week. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos.